afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Maths. Today, we're going to be exploring counting on a little bit more. So make sure you've got the same things that you had yesterday. Your counting objects, your tens frames, your part whole models, pencil and paper. Okay, if you've not got those 5 things ready, press pause and go get them now. Brilliant, well done everybody. Okay, let's get ready to play. So we're going to start with a spot of counting this afternoon. Okay, I'm going to show you behind this white box a number or a numeral, and with your counting objects, I want you to represent it. I want you to make it. Okay, it's as simple as that. So you're going to need your counting objects. You're also going to need paper and a pencil. I'll explain in a moment. Okay, are you ready? I would like you to make this number. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, show me, show me. Brilliant. What does that say? It says 4. You've made 4 as well. I wonder. That sounds a little bit like a double. 4 and your 4, 4 and 4 more, double 4 equals 8. Well done, well remembered. Do you think you could write that as a calculation on your piece of paper? Double 4. Press pause and write the calculation. Welcome back. So there's my calculation. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Double 4 equals 8. Okay, let's play again. Okay, are you ready? 2 jobs now. So I'll reveal the number or the numeral. I want you to build it with your counting objects and then write down the doubles fact, the doubles calculation. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Brilliant, fantastic work. So what does this number say? 2. I have 2, you have 2, double 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Double 2 equals 4. And there's our calculation. 2 plus 2, 2 add 2, double 2 equals 4. Are we ready to play again? I'll show you the picture. You build it, write the calculation down for me. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, show me, show me. Wow, did you make a 3? That says 3. Did you make one as well? I like those calculations that I can see as well. 3 plus 3 equals, double 3 equals 3 and 3 equals 6. Well done. Okay, let's play again. Ready? You're gonna represent what you see and write the calculation for me. Ready? Steady. Go. Well done, everybody. Okay, tell me the double. Double 1 equals 2. That's right. 1 add 1 equals 2. Double 1 equals 2. Okay, boys and girls, last one. So get your counting objects ready, get your pencil and your paper ready? Get ready to represent the number super fast and get ready to write down the calculation for me. Are you ready? Steady. Go. And 3, 2, 1. Show me, show me. What have you represented? What number does this say? 5. Double 5, 5 and your 5, my 5 and your 5, 2 5s, double 5. What does that equal? 10. Well done. 5 plus 5, double 5 makes 10. Great work, everyone. Okay, so I've got a picture here of 2 trees. There's a tree with red leaves and a tree with green leaves. Now we're going to have a look today at ways of adding these things together, calculating how many we have all together. So some of the words that you're going to need to use today are add, plus, equals, and all together. We're going to be calculating with our part whole and our tens frames. This one right here is going to be an easy one. We'll do all together before I set you some really tricky challenges. So my first question is, how many leaves on the tree all together? How could we find out? Brilliant work. Yes, of course we could. We could just count them. We could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if there's a different way that we can do this. Shall we see? Okay, so down here, I've got myself 2 tens frames. I'd like you to collect 2 tens frames. And with your counting objects, can you represent the number of leaves on the red tree and the number of leaves on the green tree using your tens frames? Press pause and represent. Welcome back. So, does yours look a little bit like mine? Down here, I have 3 red leaves on my tens frame to represent the 3 red leaves on this tree. Down here, I have 2 green leaves to represent the 2 green leaves on this tree over here. Now, using our tens frames, how could we calculate how many leaves there are all together? Yeah, we could still count. Shall we have a look at mine? So, here is my tens frame representing the 3 red leaves. And here is my tens frame representing the 2 green leaves on the tree. And we could do this in all sorts of different ways. We could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 leaves all together. We could move our green leaves onto the same tens frame as our red leaves. And again, we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But today, I want to talk to you about something called counting on. Counting on is a very clever way of doing adding, making numbers bigger. Let me show you. So what we're going to do, everybody, is we're going to label this tens frame 3. And we are not going to waste our time counting those leaves. We already know that there are 3. We're going to say 3, and then we're going to carry on counting for these 2. Okay? So do it with me. We're going to shout 3, 4, 5. Okay, are you ready to have a go? Brilliant. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5. There are 5 all together. Let's do it one more time. Okay, you ready? 3, 4, 5. So now we can finish off our number sentences all together. There are 3 red leaves. Here they are on the tree. There are 2 green leaves. Here they are on the tree. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 leaves and 2 leaves is equal to 5 leaves all together. Right, everybody, it's your turn. I've got a question up here for you to solve, just like we did with the leaves on the tree. We've got 2 characters, Jack and Eva, and they want to play marbles. Eva says, I have 4 marbles. Jack says, me too. I wonder, can you represent their marbles with some tens frames? How did you do? Brilliant, well done. So I've represented Eva's marbles over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then Jack said, me too. Now we've got Jack's marbles up here, so I could count them. But I knew that me too meant the same. So I've represented 1, 2, 3, 4 marbles down here as well. So here are Eva's marbles, and here are Jack's marbles. Now, how do we find out how many marbles there are all together? Yes, we could count them all. We could do that. We could move the 2 tens frames together and count them all again. But we've been having a look yesterday and today at counting on. So hopefully you did something a little bit like this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So when you write it as a calculation, it looks like that. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Did you spot that this one was a double? Let's have a go at another one. Okay, so here is a puzzle for you. We've got some bugs here, we've got some spiders, and we've got some ants. I would like to know how many bugs there are all together. Can you represent the bugs with your tens frames? Can you count on? And can you write me the calculation that describes it? Press pause now and take some pictures. So, how did you get on making this calculation. How many ants did you count? 3. Well done. And did you represent them on your tens frame? Well done. How many spiders did you count? 4. 3 ants. There are 4 spiders. How many bugs altogether? 3 ants, 4 spiders. How many bugs altogether? Let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 bugs altogether. 7. Well done. So this time, using your tens frames, your counting objects, and your pencil and paper, I'd like you to represent some things on this picture. Make them with your tens frames, label one, and carry on counting to calculate how many things you have. Are you ready? Here is what I would like you to calculate. How many pink flowers are there all together? Press pause, make them, calculate, and take some pictures to send us on email. Great work, everybody. Great calculating, well done, and super use of those tens frames and those counting objects. The mathematics that you are doing right now is really, really tricky stuff. So well done, super proud of you. Great work. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.